Instant coffee. It's a staple in pantries around the world, a quick and easy solution for our caffeine cravings. But have you ever stopped to wonder how those tiny granules are made? How do we go from the humble coffee bean to a cup of coffee ready in seconds? The journey of instant coffee is a fascinating one, involving a series of intricate processes designed to capture the essence of coffee in a convenient form. It's a testament to human ingenuity, a marriage of science and flavor that has revolutionized the way we enjoy our daily brew. Let's delve into the world of instant coffee production and uncover the secrets behind this everyday marvel. Instant coffee, often seen as a modern convenience, actually has a rich history dating back to the early 20th century. It was first invented as a way to make coffee more accessible and portable, especially for soldiers during wartime. Today, it has become a beloved household item, offering a quick caffeine fix without the need for brewing equipment. The process begins with high-quality coffee beans, which are carefully selected and roasted to perfection. These beans are then ground into a fine powder, ready to undergo the transformation into instant coffee. One of the key methods used in making instant coffee is freeze-drying. This involves brewing the coffee and then freezing it at extremely low temperatures. The frozen coffee is then placed in a vacuum where the ice crystals are removed, leaving behind dry coffee granules. Another popular method is spray drying. In this process, the brewed coffee is sprayed into a hot chamber, where the water quickly evaporates, leaving behind fine coffee powder. Both methods aim to preserve the rich aroma and flavor of the coffee, ensuring that each cup of instant coffee delivers a satisfying experience. The journey from bean to cup doesn't end there. Quality control is a crucial step in the production of instant coffee. Each batch is rigorously tested to ensure consistency in flavor, aroma, and texture. This meticulous attention to detail is what makes instant coffee a reliable choice for coffee lovers everywhere. Beyond the science, there's an art to creating the perfect instant coffee. Blending different types of coffee beans, adjusting roasting times, and fine-tuning the drying process all contribute to the final product. It's a delicate balance that requires both expertise and passion. Instant coffee has come a long way since its inception. Today, it offers a wide range of flavors and varieties, catering to diverse tastes and preferences. Whether you prefer a bold, robust brew or a smooth, mellow cup, there's an instant coffee out there for you. So the next time you reach for that jar of instant coffee, take a moment to appreciate the journey it has taken. From the coffee farms to the processing plants and finally to your cup, instant coffee is a marvel of modern convenience and a testament to the ingenuity of the human spirit. Let's delve into the world of instant coffee production and uncover the secrets behind this everyday marvel. Join us as we explore the intricate processes and passionate craftsmanship that make instant coffee a beloved staple in households around the globe. The desire for a quick and easy cup of coffee is nothing new. In fact, the quest for instant coffee dates back to the late 19th century, with various attempts made to create a shelf-stable, readily soluble coffee product. However, it was in 1901 that Japanese-American chemist Satoru Kato made a breakthrough, introducing the world's first commercially successful instant coffee at the Pan American Exposition. This innovation paved the way for the instant coffee industry we know today, forever changing the landscape of coffee consumption. The journey from bean to cup begins with the careful selection of coffee beans. Just like with traditional coffee brewing, the quality of the beans greatly impacts the final flavor profile of instant coffee. Manufacturers typically use Robusta beans due to their higher caffeine content and bolder flavor, though some blends incorporate Arabica beans for a smoother, more aromatic cup. The beans are sourced from coffee-growing regions around the world, each contributing its unique characteristics to the final product. Once the beans have been selected, they undergo a crucial transformation roasting. This is where the magic truly begins. The green coffee beans, which are raw and have a grassy aroma, are subjected to intense heat. This process not only changes their color, but also brings out the complex flavors and aromas that coffee lovers cherish. The roasting process is carefully controlled, determining the color, aroma, and flavor of the coffee. Roasters must pay close attention to the temperature and duration of the roast. Even slight variations can lead to significant differences in the final product. The beans go through several stages, starting with the drying phase, where moisture is removed, followed by the browning phase, where the beans start to develop their characteristic color and aroma. The beans are roasted at high temperatures, causing them to expand and release their natural oils and aromatic compounds. This is known as the Maillard reaction, a chemical reaction between amino acids and reducing sugars that gives browned food its distinctive flavor. As the beans continue to roast, they reach the first crack, a point where they emit a cracking sound similar to popcorn. This indicates that the beans have reached a light roast stage. The duration and intensity of the roast vary depending on the desired flavor profile, from light and fruity to dark and bold. Light roasts are typically more acidic and retain more of the beans' original flavors, while dark roasts have a more robust, smoky taste. Some roasters prefer a medium roast, which balances the acidity and body of the coffee. The art of roasting lies in finding the perfect balance to highlight the unique characteristics of each batch of beans. The roasted beans are then cooled rapidly to preserve their flavor and aroma, ready for the next stage of the process. This cooling process is crucial as it stops the beans from continuing to roast from their residual heat, which could lead to over-roasting. Once cooled, the beans are often left to rest for a few days to allow the flavors to develop fully. Only then are they ready to be ground and brewed, bringing the journey from farm to cup one step closer to completion. Section 5. Brewing the perfect cup or concentrate. Now it's time to brew the coffee. Large-scale industrial brewers are used to extract the coffee solubles from the roasted beans. The ground coffee is steeped in hot water, much like in a traditional coffee maker, but on a much larger scale. This process creates a concentrated coffee extract, which will later be transformed into the instant coffee granules we know and love. The spent coffee grounds are often repurposed as fertilizer or used in other applications. Section 6. Freeze drying, a coffee time capsule. One of the most common methods for converting coffee concentrate into instant coffee is freeze drying. This method is favored for its ability to preserve the coffee's natural flavors and aromas, making it a popular choice among coffee enthusiasts and manufacturers alike. The process begins with brewing a high-quality coffee concentrate, which is then carefully prepared for the freeze-drying procedure. This process involves freezing the coffee concentrate at extremely low temperatures, turning it into solid blocks. These blocks are not just any frozen coffee. They are meticulously crafted to ensure that the essence of the coffee is captured in its purest form. The freezing step is crucial as it sets the stage for the next phase of the process. These frozen blocks are then placed in a vacuum chamber, where the ice crystals are sublimated, meaning they transition directly from a solid to a gas, bypassing the liquid phase. This sublimation process is fascinating because it allows the coffee to retain its structure and integrity without melting. The vacuum environment is carefully controlled to ensure that the coffee's delicate flavors are not lost during this phase. This leaves behind porous, dry granules of coffee that readily dissolve in hot water, preserving the flavor and aroma of the original brew. These granules are lightweight and easy to store, making them a convenient option for coffee lovers who want a quick and delicious cup of coffee without compromising on quality. The freeze-drying process, therefore, acts as a time capsule, capturing the essence of freshly brewed coffee and making it available anytime, anywhere. Section 7. Spray drying misting magic. Another widely used method is spray drying. In this process, the coffee concentrate is sprayed through a nozzle into a heated chamber. The fine droplets of coffee mist come into contact with hot air, causing the water to evaporate rapidly. This leaves behind tiny, dry particles of instant coffee that dissolve easily in water. While spray drying is generally quicker and more cost-effective than freeze drying, it can sometimes result in a slightly less nuanced flavor profile. Section 8. Packaging and quality control. Once the instant coffee granules have been produced, they undergo rigorous quality control checks to ensure they meet the desired standards for flavor, aroma, and solubility. The granules are then packaged in airtight containers, often with nitrogen flushing to prevent oxidation and preserve freshness. From there, the instant coffee is shipped to supermarkets, cafes, and homes around the world, ready to be enjoyed at a moment's notice. Section 9. The enduring appeal of instant coffee. From its humble beginnings over a century ago, instant coffee has become a global phenomenon enjoyed by millions every day. Its convenience, affordability, and long shelf life have made it a pantry staple for many, providing a quick and easy caffeine fix whenever needed. While specialty coffee and artisanal brewing methods have gained popularity in recent years, instant coffee remains a beloved and enduring beverage, a testament to the enduring appeal of a good cup of coffee anytime, anywhere.